What's going on, YouTube family? Yours truly, Eddie Jeezy. It is a beautiful Saturday. I just got these guys in the mail. These are tail lights cover for the 2018 Honda Accord. Very simple. All you do is it's just a slap on with the tape and just a stick on basically. So I'll show you what the final outcome is once I'm done. So stick around. Peace. So here we go. I just took off these 3M tapes and they're ready to be slapped on. These are the cover for the tail lights. I thought it's a pretty nice upgrades as far as my modification is concerned from my 2018 Accord. I don't want to do too much, but if it doesn't look good, I'll take it off. But you guys let me know. It's real simple. Slap it on, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Yeah. What's going on, YouTube family? So we got those tail lights cover, plastic cover installed on my smoke tail lights. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys. I spent $60 for something like this. Something very affordable. Improves the overall look of the tail lights. I like it a lot. The other side. Can't really see that much difference because my tail lights are already smoked. So I think for those folks that haven't had their tail lights smoked, this would be very beneficial if you're trying to darken up your tail lights. But yeah, I'm loving it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Yours truly, Eddie Jeezy. Peace, and we are